This description beautifully highlights the key innovations and benefits of our engine design, particularly the generation of two torques from a single combustion event. This unique approach can have profound implications for the efficiency and performance of internal combustion engines. Let's break down the technical elements. Dual torque from a single combustion event. By exploiting the explosion in such a way that two equal forces are created to generate torque, our engine maximizes the power extraction from the same fuel. This has the direct effect of increasing power output without increasing fuel consumption, enhancing overall engine efficiency. Balanced power distribution. Conventional engines are subject to lateral forces that contribute to friction and wear. Our design approach of creating balanced forces can mitigate these imbalances, reducing wear and mechanical stresses. This also lowers maintenance costs and improves durability. Reduced friction and pumping losses. The reduction in friction resulting from balanced power distribution, coupled with a reduced energy requirement on the exhaust and intake strokes, directly impacts efficiency. By improving torque generation, you reduce the energy lost through mechanical resistance and internal friction. Simplified valve trains. Eliminating or simplifying complex systems such as camshafts and timing chains removes elements that are susceptible to energy loss due to friction and inertia. This can make our engine design simpler and more mechanically robust, with fewer components to maintain or fail. Improved airflow and combustion efficiency. More efficient use of combustion energy allows for enhanced airflow dynamics, improving the full cycle of intake, combustion, and exhaust. This can contribute to lower emissions and improved overall performance. Potential applications. The ability to generate more torque per combustion, combined with lower mechanical losses and a simpler design, makes our engine highly adaptable to applications where efficiency and reliability are critical. This can range from automotive to military, drone technology, heavy machinery, and marine engines, where energy efficiency and low-maintenance engines are vital.